purge line out. Purge it out. All right.
No, not bad. Let me be real.
There you go. All right.
No purge.
Nothing coming out.
No purge.
And who wants this? I can't hook the bottle up without it. You know what I'm saying?
You good.
Oh, yeah, I'll take that home. Don't worry about it. Carrera Performance TV.
Yeah, follow all of us.
Alright, so you guys already know this car. Two Carrera Performance built V's going head to head. They raced Saturday night, right?
Yeah, Saturday night.
And Aaron lost, but then I guess the next day the guys,
Let's talk about that race.
a group was made.
Let's talk about that race.
Well, I don't have that yet, but when I do, I'll drop it down. You guys can see that while I'm talking. But anyways,
I slept on the light, 100%, but my temps went up to like 170, 180.
okay, so your car was hot.
No, supercharger was hot.
Okay,
Not the car.
all right, supercharger.
My tank
was hot.
stopped. Stagnant water. Open
Oh.
my trunk.
Oh, yeah.
Stagnant water.
That's what
You
we were
saw
trying
it?
to fix that night. Yeah, I remember.
That
yeah, I have.
takes
I
the
think I have
acid
that.
timing out of it.
Yeah.
When it takes the acid timing out of it, that's a lot of power. But anyways, we're running it back. Me
Yeah.
and Rich are cool.
So
Cool peoples.
I guess somebody made a group, or I don't know if it was
top
already
15.
made. Okay, so top 15 in DMV, and I guess he's at a higher position than
He's
you?
number 6. I'm
Higher
not
place.
on the list.
Okay, so you're calling him out to be number 6,
And
so
then he would, if I was to win, he would go to number 7.
and you'd be you'd be 6.
I'd be number 6.
Okay.
No
so,
bottom.
Yeah.
That's what we aligned to. I'm good with that.
So maybe we could see more of these videos. I don't know if they're going to be weekly or bi-weekly, but it should be good. So this would be nice. So no spray, but Aaron is a stick car. So no spray, but Aaron is a stick car. He's on tire. There you go. So it should be nice. I'm not riding with Aaron. Not riding with the other person, which is Richard. He has the sedan V. I'll be on the sidelines, but GoPro will be attached. You guys will see all the action. Aaron wanted to check his connection, some of his wire connections. His IATs aren't really staying down. They're not staying low. They're getting higher and higher as he drives. So that'll be an issue for tonight. We'll see how it goes. All right, we're gonna go check this out real quick. It melted?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
This is the controller.
Was it hot? It melted?
Yeah, it melted. So I can run it hardwire real quick. I'll jump it.
Be back.
I got my uncle in there. His deck is everywhere.
Alright, so we made it. Ignore them in the background, but cheat code V is getting all ready. Still having a little bit of issues with the IATs, but he's gonna solve it in a little bit. Richard's here, or Zeal Metal. He's ready too. So okay, it should be a good run.
Yeah, you need to secure that properly.
out that Redskins cup.
Yep.
Terrible. Let me get it right.
If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to do nitrous because it's gonna cool it down. That's the only way I can cool this down. So just the FYI, that's next.
He's gonna spray into the parking lot.
That's it.
Up all
It's
the
maxed
way.
out. Like, I mean,
There's no way for an air bubble to get
what
in
I
there
did
now.
is I put
Just
the
lifted it.
fuel. Yeah.
I see.
So fuck it.
All right, let's do it. Do it.
You ready, Aaron?
Yeah, we'll see. Turn this back on. When I left the parking lot, it was 70.
Yeah.
That was just 160. Rich was like, "Oh, you're counting down." No.
Yeah,
Like
that's what
this.
I thought. I was like, wait, is he counting? I thought I was supposed to honk. Let me honk now. Basically, we line up at the sign. I'll honk it off because that's when we're
I'm good with
straight.
that.
All right.
Ready?
Rich got him.
Aaron has yet to come back. So,
That was close.
It was.
That was real
How was it?
close.
The shifts. Rich got it.
USA! USA! USA!
Rich got it.
I mean, that was only one
Just
race
barely.
though.
Just barely.
Hey.
Just barely.
Run it back.
It
You might
looked like
shift
you might have
different.
started to come up if we had
The
endless
traffic.
road.
Well,
Yeah.
we had the car coming up.
Y'all gotta
Oh,
wait
yeah.
until it's
Yo,
until the light
That was-
turns.
I was
Look at
going
the
too
video.
fast too
Look at the
early.
video.
I
Oh,
was
really?
going too fast too early.
Oh, really?
So we didn't give enough space for that car in front of us.
True, true. It's
Yeah,
all
you
good.
gotta wait. You gotta wait until
I
their
mean-
light turn red.
And it was red. We were good
Yeah.
with the traffic behind
Yeah,
us.
yeah.
Somebody across
There was
came
one
over.
car,
Yeah.
and they didn't get far enough out in front of us. Hey, when y'all
We
watch
saw-
this video,
We saw it. We saw it on his
Oh,
car.
yeah.
We saw.
We have it on both. It's close. You
I
were
want
coming.
you to see it. I want you to see it from mine too.
Yeah, you were
Literally,
coming in
his
fifth.
flames
Was
shift
that fifth?
fourth, I think.
Fourth, you were starting to come at top of fourth?
Yeah.
All right.
About to shift in the
Right.
fifth. I was
I was
gonna keep
about
going.
to also, but the
But
car was
the
right
car
there.
was right in front of me. Like I'm not gonna hit this.
No, right.
Yo, that was good.
That was
But
hell,
that's
that was
Rich.
That was a hell of a race.
Don't leave my man hanging.
I didn't see you. I
That was
didn't see you.
okay.
No,
That
I
was Rich.
mean, we just try to make up your shifts on the next
Oh,
one,
what
know?
you mean? I'm no lift shifting out this.
There we go.
Oh.
That's why we do
That
Bachelor
works.
3.
No, I like it.
or,
That was
you know
good.
what I'm
That
saying?
was a good run.
Yeah.
And I got two
Pop your
10
hood
pounds.
and go to, pop your trunk, hood, all the.
Hey, I'm just
Open
glad the tank was
doors.
working.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Hey, what you mean? That's a win for me.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo, watch this.
Let me see it on your
That's,
GoPro.
I
That was-
think-
that was a hell of a race.
again, with you being in front of me, this video,
It, look,
You-
it looks crazy.
what you mean? Like, this crazy, yo.
Wheel up.
Yo, he was out in front with the two-step.
Hey, I told you.
That's the music.
2 out of 3.
Well, next time, I mean, take out somebody on nitrous, and then maybe we could do a 2 out of 3. I want to do like a 40, a 50, then a dig.
Alright.
When you get in front of me,
Go!
all you gotta do.
That's just going.
All you gotta do is you spray on somebody and rank higher than me, and you'll jump in front.
Yeah, no, I'll run somebody.
And then we could do like a nice.
That was gonna be a good
do like
run,
a 2
yo.
out of 3 with a 40. You do like 50, and then I like a dig. So auto's like that. Yeah, I mean you got bigger tires, so and then your manual, so it's a little.
Yeah, I can't do the 2-step. I'll blow the tires.
I think that'd be fun.
Yeah. Yo.
It's Ddtech.
Next time.
Cars are running great.
He held
There.
this.
Nobody broke. We're good.
Yeah,
Nobody
yeah,
broke.
Yeah.
I may have broke my
All
finger. I
reliables
fell
here.
straight off the shifter, right into my dash. I was trying
Thanks,
to shift
Derek.
the fuck out
Thanks,
of it.
Wally.
Aaron.
Got the mini Rome car running nice. Baby Rome. Rome light.
No, she's running, yo. She's running. You can't make a mistake against her.
Nah.
It's consistent, man. It does the same thing every time I step on it. It doesn't spin a 40 roll, which is kind of crazy. Yeah.
Traction control was on first race.
Oh, that might have held you back a little bit.
I know it did.
might
This
let-
time I caught it,
Yeah,
but I
yeah.
missed the gear.
I mean, you
Traction
gotta
control.
get ahead of those things when you run, man. I always double click.
Yeah.
Competitive mode.
I keep it in
I
competitive.
never turn it off.
This
all
time
the
I
way.
was so focused on IT
Alright, we're out, so.
that, but yeah, dude.